Here's what you'll need to make my Meen Molee salmon and prawn recipe. Salmon and some prawns. Chilies, optional, but I love my chilies, so they're going in. Can of coconut milk, some paprika, mustard seeds, cumin, turmeric. Some fresh coriander, a couple of nice tomatoes, a couple of onions or one large onion, garlic and fresh ginger. First thing we're going to do is get your veg washed, chopped and prepared. Into a pan with a glug of oil when you've chopped all your veg, heat that up, and then it's in with a tablespoon of your mustard seeds, and we're just going to wait until they start popping and cackling. Once they're popping away nicely, time to go in with your onions and chili peppers if you're using them. Then we're just going to give them around 5 minutes till the onions sort of go semi-translucent. When your onions have had 5 minutes and softened down, it's time to go in with your pulverised ginger and garlic. Get them mixed in, and we're just going to give them a minute to heat through. When they've had a minute, time to go in with your chopped tomatoes and some fresh lime, which I forgot to mention at the beginning in the ingredients. What I do, because I don't always use all the lime juice, when I get the lime juice, put it into an ice cube tray, put it in the freezer, then you've got fresh lime or lemon juice on cold whenever you want it. So the juice from a couple of limes and then your chopped tomatoes. And then since they're there with your spices, a bit of salt and black pepper. Again, let them just heat through for a minute. And then finally, it's in with your coconut milk. Give that a good stir together. Bring that up to boil and then turn it down to just a simmer. When it's been simmering away, it's time to get your hand blender out or your other blender and pour it in. And just blend it up to the consistency you like. With your sauce nicely blended and simmering away, time to go in with a clump of your coriander, save some for decoration. To there with your cooked prawns. And last but not least, in with your salmon fillets. Now you're only going to give these around 4 or 5 minutes and then they'll be cooked. You don't want to overcook them. So in they go, simmering away for 5 minutes. When everything's come together, it's time to dish it up. So I'm having mine with some nice lime and coriander rice, as you can see. A nice naan bread, but feel free to use whatever accompaniments suits you, and then just get stuck in.